29th, 2022. This one I got a call from a lady. She said she got an AC unit, that somebody replaced the compressor last year, and now the system's not working. She said she tried to call the guy back who did the job. He's no longer in business. So she says the outside unit's not working, so maybe it's a capacitor or something, I don't know. We're gonna go over there and see if we can help out this damsel in distress. Another damsel in distress, Molly. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Another damsel in distress, Mama. It's a good, it's a Rudd. I don't know if it's even gonna start.
Sir, you're probably better off if you want.
So does this thing run or it don't run? Nothing
I can
run.
turn it on by the thermostat.
Does this run?
It sometimes, and then the blades stop.
Okay, let me look at this first.
Okay, and if you have to go this way and go through the...
Right around, okay.
Yeah, because I locked them kind of in the front room.
It might be something inside this unit. Let's hope.
You know, the kid that came down, Mr. Van Gel had put the taps on.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Years
yeah.
ago.
I know him.
Jay come down.
Yeah.
But Jay, I think, was going through some shit. Hey, you know, he's a friend of mine, but...
Jay?
His son.
Yeah. You know, Homer Simpson, he looked like Homer Simpson, didn't he?
Yeah, didn't he?
The old man?
Pig.
Yeah, what did he die from?
No personality.
No personality?
Yeah, so...
That's bad.
Well, see, I worked at Davidson's as a kid, and they were always there. As a matter of fact, they bought the shop after the smokehouse down the street.
Oh, they did?
When I was a kid. My grandfather worked there. So
Yeah, he did look like Homer Simpson, didn't he?
He did, though. The kid come down. We had to hire somebody else.
What do you got, vegetables growing here?
Yeah.
I don't want to squash them. I'd be in
Don't
trouble.
worry about it. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, hopefully it's something simple. So the fan does stop, you said, right?
Yeah, but it'll go.
Well, let's check the capacitor then first.
I always say, when in doubt, the capacitor.
Well,
What the hell?
it's not. That fan should never stop.
Yeah, it does.
Well, that's a problem.
That's a problem.
No work for you?
Me? I'm retired, sir.
Retired? The old COVID-19 retirement?
33 years retirement. Police force.
Oh, working for the
PD. Police officer.
Oh, okay, that's a tough job, isn't it? Even now, it's really
I've been out
bad.
For a year and a half. Grew my hair long. Went to Catholic school all my life. Then went to the police academy right as a child. And I finally retired.
He's got a fan cap here, which is a 12.5, which seems weird.
I think he didn't. So this other guy come down, this kid. He fixed it last year, but he was in a rush. He just did that.
Seems like a weird size, 12.5 for a capacitor. I have to make sure you get the right one here, you know? It's a universal motor, but...
I get it.
10. It's a 10. Should have a 10 capacitor in there. He's got a 12.5 in there. Fucking dummy. FU. Got the wrong one in there. It's got the wrong capacitor. It should be a 10. This is a 12.5. See a 12.5? I don't want to screw up your thing.
No,
this is a 12.5, and it says right on there 10. So this has to be changed to a 10.
Yeah.
Because then could be a potential problem. Huh?
That's the thing you put in last year.
Well, it's the wrong. It's close, but it's not good,
It's
right?
close, but no cigar.
See, it's sucking in. It's sucking in and blowing out here.
Oh shit.
I could change the rotation on this thing.
Yeah.
See how it's spinning this way?
Yeah.
Sucking air in. You want to spin it the other way to push it out. let's try to change in the rotation, see what happens there. It's just 2 wires. Change rotation.
Really?
Oh, that should be working right. Spinning that way, it's pushing the air out. Has it been cooling okay?
Yeah. Not like it used to when it was brand new.
All right, let's put the gauges on it and see what's happening with that. See that superheat? Look at that subcooling. 320. I did clean the coil in the back. It's still a little dirty. Kind of falling apart on me here. Kind of high on the head pressure there. Yeah, definitely hot 22. With the garden hose. Hosing, and we'll try it again. Rinsed it off the best I could all the way around. Let's try it again.
Okay.
So that head pressure was kind of high, you know.
That's a good head pressure.
See, before we were 3-something on a head pressure, remember? Now we're down to like 180, 190, 200, something like that.
Nice.
Let's give it a little minute. Definitely blowing out better air now. Alright, so our head pressure's better at 224. Subcooling at 28, which is kind of high still. Well, let's look at our superheat at 9. And our suction's pretty low. Still. Have you changed the filter inside, the air filter?
I cleaned it, yes.
You cleaned it? Was it bad?
It's cleaned both ones.
Oh, it's the washable.
Yeah, I cleaned it not 3 weeks ago.
Okay, so that's not an issue.
All clean. And I vacuumed it there.
Alright, you can see after we hosed it down, I'm at 230. I were at 330 before on the head pressure, which is better. I mean, that's the best I could do with it right there.
Should we order a new one?
Order a new what? Filter?
Oh, is there like a free on charge? Or?
No, because I can't put no more in it because I'm already at 8 on the superheat.
Does it eventually need replacing? Is that what you're saying?
Right now, this is the best I could do with it.
Okay.
We gave it a good cleaning. We changed the capacitor.
When should I look to say, hey,
well, when it's not working, and the dies are working, I would play around with it then. It's working okay. Leave it alone.
That's what I say.
Leave it alone. These things are not always perfect, you know. You get them the best you can, and that's it.
That's it.
Let it ride.
You did a great job.
Let it ride, and then when it dies, we'll worry about it then.